What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be discussing 3 pairs that I think you guys should hold right now. So if you got these pairs, just keep them right where they're at, or if you are looking for these pairs, then I would get them sooner rather than later because they're pairs I think could go up in price. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, if you do want more content, didn't mean to barb like that right there, excuse me, but if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you can hit that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. You guys can also check out my Instagrams down below. We got tons of stuff for sale on my story, so please check my story. Hey, if you're selling kicks as well, hit me up, let me know, or check out the Whatnot Lives down below. We just went live there today. We'll be live again tomorrow with more kicks, so I hope to see y'all there for that. And yeah, that's really everything we need to say, so I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. Again, all that is down below in the pinned comment, and leave your questions in the comments as well. Let's go though. So the first one I would 100% hold on to is going to be the Supreme Ocean Fog SB Dunk Glow. Now if not these, I would hold this pair right here. So either the ink colorway, right? I've seen these selling for almost $500, which is crazy. Some sizes actually selling at $500 locally, which is just absolutely nuts. Like they're flipping there. So just lets you know what people are willing to pay for this shoe, about $500. And then for this one, again, I've seen some sales happening around $280, $300. So the market is heading up for both these pairs right now. Now you take a look at where the Ocean Fog one is at right now. You guys can see about a range of $230 to $260. I'll put a plus in the $260 because again, you see some of those bigger sizes are above that range once you get to 11.5, 12, 13. You know how it is with SB Dunk Glows. We discuss this in almost every video mentioned in an SB Dunk. If it's a bigger size, if it's above size 11, you are most likely going to be paying more for that SB Dunk Glow. There's very few instances. There's only one I can name off the top of my head, the Yuta Horigom Maka colorway. I know I butchered the name there, but that's an example of an SB Dunk Glow that's cheaper in big sizes. That does not happen that often. As you can see right here, the big sizes are more expensive. This is a normal trend. So if you need to know what sizes are the best ones to hold, it's going to be 11 plus, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13. Those would be the best sizes to hold for this SB Dunk Glow, along with that purple pair, the ink colorway. I was discussing this one right here. This is probably the better one to hold in my opinion. If I'm going to be real, this one was exclusive to Europe. They did not do many of them. I've even seen just not many resellers even having these, you know what I'm saying? So understanding that this is probably the most limited aside from the Asia exclusive one, that kind of camper green colorway, the kind of yellowish and black one. Then yeah, I would probably just be looking to hold this pair. The ones that, you know what I'm saying, were exclusive to only like one place, those are the ones I'd be looking at, which was most of them. Like the white pair, you know what I mean, that one dropped like almost everywhere. Same with like the black pair that dropped at a lot of locations. But the other ones, you know what I mean, this one, the camper green, the Ocean Fog, those 3 are the ones I'd be looking at for the Supreme SBs to hold on to, because they were exclusive to certain regions and they did not do many of each one. You can see all of them are reselling for like $250 to $500. So it's very high potential right there. Shows you what they can go for down the line. So I would just be looking to hold those 3 colorways for the Supreme SBs right now: Camper Green, Ocean Fog, and the ink colorway. Those 3 are, in my opinion, the best holds for the future. This one right here is the best one, personally, what I think. Just because, again, I've seen them already selling for $500, even though the app prices aren't there. Shoot, people are paying it. So, yeah, in my opinion, I would just, again, you can see, I mean, they're getting close, but yeah, people are paying some nuts prices for these. So I would just hold on to this pair, in my opinion. Probably one of the best holds right now. The ink pair of the Supreme SBs, my personal opinion. Now next up, we made a video on these yesterday, but I think the Yu-Gi-Oh! Air Maxes, I think these are going to end up doing really, really well long term. The reason I think that is because, again, unique box, comes with the card, and the pair is also super sick as well. So you have like 3 details with this pair. We discussed it yesterday though briefly, so I don't want to mention this again, but just want to kind of butt it in real quick. You should hold on to these. I'm actually buying another pair of these this morning, getting a pretty decent price on it, so I'm happy about that. The Travis Scott Canary Jordan 1 Low. Again, I feel like these are going to end up being a really good hold. I mean, they already are making some progress, right? Check out those smaller lady sizes. You can see starting to run up, getting closer to $400. Some already across that point. And then you look at the bigger men's sizes. Again, 11.5, which is a 13W, $450. Again, these have been at that $450 range for a while. Like I remember selling a pair for like $460-ish a while ago. So they've been here for a bit, but they still have made some progress. You look, see, that is some progress. Look at that, from $270 in the small sizes to almost $400 in the small sizes. So these are going up right now. So I would honestly look at the Travis Scott Canaries, in my personal opinion, and either, again, A, 11W plus, so bigger men's sizes, or B, I would start looking for them, and again, some of those smaller, more popular women's sizes. Since this is a women's Jordan 1 Low, right, they did extend the sizes for my guys, right, because it is a Travis Low. You got to do that, right? Can't leave out my guys for the hype shoes, but they do that sometimes. So we'll say that. But this pair, my personal opinion, easily going to be one in the future that's probably consistently selling at $500, $600. I would honestly see them probably settling around there. I don't see them being a $1,000 shoe, but $500, $600, I could totally see that for the Travis Scott Canary later this year, maybe around Christmas time, a couple people paying that. I could see some consignment sales around there, but it won't consistently be a $500, $600 later this year. That'd be a lot of progress really quick. But I do see, again, Travis Scott shoes later this year around Christmas time, you know people are going to be paying up for them. So if you need to know what types of shoes are going to be good holds that you could make money on later this year, it's the hype shoes like that. That, Brick by Bricks, Supreme SBs, etc. Stuff that, you know what I mean, people aren't going to go out the way and pay a lot for right now. But later this year, if they got a good gift for somebody or if they're going to ask for it, they're going to ask for those. So that's my opinion on the Travis Scott Canaries. A great hold, along with all the other Travis Lowe's, Velvet Browns, Medium Olives. Those are all going to make very similar progress. Slow and consistent rise over time. They're not going to spike up, but each year, they'll go up like $100. So if you're willing to wait a few years, it's some pretty good money if you hold a few pairs. So that's my opinion on those. And finally, I've still been buying these, the Rodeo Tourmalines. I feel like, again, these for the future are such a good bet. I know that, again, a lot of those sizes you see right now are pretty cheap. So, again, a really good time to buy these right now. But this is one of those pairs. Again, you see, look what the big sizes are going for. Look what the big sizes are at. That shows you the potential in this pair and shows you where the other sizes will eventually follow. The big sizes are $280, $300 right now. These early were going for $250, $300. So the market will eventually return to that point. It's just going to take some time. So that's the main thing I'm trying to stress with this pair right here. Be patient. It's a very popular SB Dunk Low still. Look at that highest bid right there. Look at that last sale. The highest bid is above the last sale. That lets us know, hey, that's a pair that has good volume right now and also one that people are willing to pay a bit more for. Those tend to be the pairs that go up in price. So I would just look at those details right there. This is the type of pair that, again, is going to make some good, slow, consistent progress over time, in my opinion. That's why I'm buying pairs of these to hold, even if I'm paying, you know, right around ask-ish. I'm trying not to do that, but if I do, it's okay because I'll just hold them long term. This is a pair that in the future, at 10.5 is going to be $300, 100%. And 9.5 will be at $250. It's probably going to take a year or two for it to get to that point, but it's going to happen because, again, they come with a unique bandana. You can see I got mine up in the background right now, but they come with some unique details. The pair itself, I got my personal one right here. The pair itself is sick. I mean, again, one of the nicest GRSBs in a while. Like, it's not a collab or anything, but it feels like a collaboration, you know? So I really like this pair. I feel like it's going to make some good progress over time, and we'll end the screen recording right there. And there's a few pairs right there, mainly SB Dunk Lows. You can see that's what's trending right now, but those are a few pairs that I would hold on to right now, in my personal opinion. These are ones that I think, again, will be good bets for the future, ones that will go up in price, or, again, just be ones you won't lose money on, because, again, they're going to be popular in the future still. Like, they had hype now, not going to lose that hype. People remember them, think about them then. So that's really what I can say, again, about this SB Dunk Low, or these SB Dunk Lows, hype pairs, ones I would hold on to right now. So if you guys do want more content like this, and again, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you guys want to check out my Instagrams down below, again, we got tons of stuff for sale on my IG. And if you want to, again, if you got anything for sale, hit me up. But make sure you guys check my Instagram story. Again, we got tons of stuff for sale there. If you're interested in anything, let me know. Also got the lives down below. We go live there a few times a week, so make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in copying anything from us. And yeah, I mean, that's really everything I need to say. Again, just don't miss the content on the IG. We got a reel coming today, some other stuff like that. So I appreciate y'all that have been supporting there. And yeah, that's really it, guys. We don't got too much more to say. So I'm T. Thank you all. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. We'll have some more content then. And hope you guys have a chill rest of your day. I'm going to chill with my cat right now. Here's Luna. Shout out Luna. A little photo of her. She's being a good girl today. So yeah, we'll chill with her. All right. I got to go get some work done. Drop off some stuff at USPS. I will see y'all tomorrow with more. Catch you then. Peace.